Hi everyone and welcome to the Chef Mooney YouTube cooking channel. Today's recipe is a beautiful mango chicken. Lots of flavors in here. This dish is not spicy, but you can add curry powder or chili if you wish. Okay guys, let's get started. I've got a couple of chicken breasts which I've diced, about 3 cloves of garlic, a little bit of olive oil to cook off the chicken, using 1 red bell pepper, 1 green, slice them up, 1 small onion, red onion. If you don't have red onion, you can use white. I'm using 2 cups of frozen mango, a little bit of parsley. I'm also going to put in some sweet potato, 2 cups of sweet potato. We're going to add some cilantro. We're also going to add some white rice vinegar, a little bit of soy sauce, ginger. Finish off with a little bit of coconut cream. So now let's get started on our cornstarch slurry. I'm using 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/3 of a cup of chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar. Now just set this aside. This is going to be our thickening agent for when we come to thicken our sauce. Get the pan nice and hot. You want a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, start frying off our chicken. Touch of salt and some pepper. Let that cook now for about a minute and then we'll turn it over. Okay, it's had about a minute. I just want to now start to turn it, sort of slightly brown it. Now I'm going to add in my onion, my 3 cloves of garlic. We just want to sweat this down now. Cook this for about another minute. Okay, that's had about a minute. I'm going to toss in my capsicum. Cook this now for another minute or so. Toss in my sweet potato. I'm adding half a bunch of cilantro or coriander. Probably where you're from, outside Australia, I'm used to it being called cilantro. Toss in some chopped parsley. Now all we need to do is add our slurry mixture. Combination of the white rice vinegar, sugar, soy sauce and corn flour, and just pour it all in. Give it a good stir before you pour it in, because sometimes the corn flour can stick to the bottom of the bowl and then you're not going to get that same effect. Right, so I'm just going to toss this around now. It smells amazing, looks fabulous. I'm going to add a touch of coconut cream. I'd say at this point probably about 1/4 of a cup. Adds a nice flavour to it, softens it a little bit. Now if you find that the cornstarch is a little bit thick on this when you pour it in, you can always add just a little more chicken stock, which I'm going to do now. So probably about 3/4 of a cup in total in this whole recipe. Give that a bit of a stir around. Now last but not least, I'm going to toss in my mango. Turn it right down to low. Pop a lid on. And I just want to let that slowly simmer now, just for a couple of minutes. Okay, so it's been cooking now, simmering gently with the lid on for about 5 minutes. And you know it's going to be ready when that sweet potato is nice and tender. Still got a little bit of a bite to it. But everything else is ready to go. The chicken is not overcooked. The capsicum's still got those lovely colours through there. Guys, it's now time to plate up. I'm serving mine with a little bit of steamed rice. You can use whatever you like. Maybe brown rice will be good with this. Put that chicken in there. The sweet potatoes held together beautifully. It's not overcooked. Pop a little bit more of that chicken on. More of the star of the show, which is the mango, to go with that chicken. That delicious sauce. Just over the top. Just going to drizzle some coconut cream, just a little. Finish off with a little bit of chopped parsley and some cilantro on the top there. So there you go, that's my mango chicken. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Have yourselves a fantastic week, and I will catch you on my next recipe. Take care.